Okay, latch guards are very simple and they're common in commercial applications. Here's the latch guard. You simply close the door and you see you have this space that goes over your strike plate. So you just line it up like that so that it closes and you have enough room around the lock, and then mark your holes right there and you drill them all the way through. Put it in with these screws. This goes on the outside and these nuts and washers go on the inside. So let's see, probably a 5/16 bit is fine. There, just drilled those out. It's very simple. Put these through. Tap that with a hammer and then tighten it on the other side. And with those tightened up, you can see now they can't get a crowbar in here to pry open the lock.